Hey, it's Mike Saul, also known as Tiny, with the video for the week of June 17th, 2013. First and foremost, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. I'm doing this on Sunday at about 3:15, getting ready to take my boys outside to ride on their bikes, but wanted to bang this out first. So, what happened last week? Not much. Okay, we ended the week here. We popped up early, and then we just pulled it back, tested the 50-day moving average again, and then finished up around where we started, a little bit down for the week, but not much. It wasn't a big net change. We did close lower than we closed the previous week, though. So can you say the Bears won the week? I don't know. Wednesday we had the down day. Thursday we had the up day that offset it. And then basically Friday we closed where we closed, it looked like on Tuesday, right? Yeah, about where we closed on Tuesday. So anyway, you could see here I have the lines drawn in. To me, this looks like a coil. It's not a great triangle because we don't have the swings down here. Right? I mean, we have one here. You know, this little swing here is more coily. A triangle would be up and then down. So whatever it is, you could definitely draw the lines on it. You could definitely see that, we have some resistance here and some support here. Also from the 50-day moving average, which happens to be right on this trend line. On Friday, I'm going to make this bigger. You see, we did try to break out of this, but wound up failing. It's not enough to call it a failure yet. Volume was pretty light. So, it's triple witch week. I mean, I'm looking for the Bulls to try to make a stand here, but I'm not going to be stubborn. I'm not going to sit here and go, we have to go higher. It's triple witching week. And no, that's not how it works, unfortunately. We could go higher from this coil, and we could go lower. Now, I know that's a nice cop-out analysis, right? Oh, we could go up or we could go down. Gee, thank you very much, but there's nothing else to really say when we are in a coil. We have to wait for the market to release its range to see if it's going to go higher or lower and see if we get some range expansion one way or the other here. So that's what I'm going to be watching for this week, all right? Similar patterns, right? The Qs, not exactly. I mean, I guess if you draw the lines, it's similar, right? The Russell looks pretty good. The Russell has, you could draw that here as well, but showing real good relative strength. Didn't test the 50-day moving average on either of those tests. Okay, if we run back quickly to the NASDAQ, you'll see that it came down and tested it on this last time. So, I mean, the Russell's showing good relative strength. That's always a good sign. All right. I mean, we look at the Dow too, but no real, reason to since we looked at the S&P. So I'm still looking for the Bulls to make a stand here, like I said, but I'm not going to be stubborn. I want to see confirmation, and that's really it. Feel free to contact me, Tiny, at stockmarkettrendsx.com with any questions you might have. Hold on, I'll put that email on the chart. There you go. I will be happy to answer all the questions that you might have concerning the market or anything else. And I will talk to you in the daily email, the newsletter, which still you can have access to absolutely free, or next week's video. Have a great trading week. And again, all the dads out there, or all the single moms too, who are doing it on your own, have a great Father's Day.